Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 for free. So if you're ready to create mind-blowing AI videos, this Sora 2 tutorial for beginners is your complete guide on how you can use Sora 2 even if you've never used AI before. So to access Sora 2, you can just go to this page and then you can sign up or log in using your Gmail, your Google account or email, or maybe your Apple account or Apple ID. And then in here you'll see this page right here, Sora 2 video generator. So you can just describe your vision in English, customize the options, and generate stunning videos in seconds. So one video costs 10 credits. As you guys can see, as soon as you sign up, you can get 10 credits for free. So you can at least generate one video for free. You can just describe what your video here in English. And for example, I'm going to create a cinematic 3D shot of a girl walking through a neon city at night. Rain reflections on the street with realistic lighting and camera panning slowly. If you want to attach an image of the character, you can just click on this button. Then set the duration, and here if you want to have an HD video, you can just click on this. But if you just to have HD video, then it will need add 2 credits. So you need to pay around 12 credits. And here choose the orientation. This one for YouTube for the landscape option, and the portrait you can use it for Reels or TikTok. Then you can just tap on generate video. So once your credit is up, you can just buy it more by clicking on the subscribe or choose the plan down below right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's very much all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.